Hey there, fellow travelers.
Welcome back to Money and Miles.
In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of credit card points and uncovering the secrets of how you can use them to unlock free travel adventures. So, grab a seat and get ready for an epic journey. First things first, what are credit card points? Well, they're a reward system offered by credit card companies to incentivize cardholders for their spending. Every time you make a purchase using your credit card, you earn points that can later be redeemed for various rewards, including free flights, hotel stays, and even experiences. There are different types of credit card points, such as airline miles, hotel points, and flexible points. Airline miles are associated with specific airlines and can be redeemed for flights, upgrades, or other travel-related perks. Hotel points, on the other hand, allow you to enjoy complimentary stays or upgrades at participating hotels. And then there are flexible points, which provide you with the freedom to transfer them to different loyalty programs or use them to book travel directly. Now that we understand what credit card points are, let's talk about how to make the most of them and travel for free. Strategy number 1. Choose the right credit card. Look for credit cards that offer generous sign-up bonuses, high earning rates, and valuable redemption options. Research different cards and their rewards programs to find the one that aligns best with your travel goals. Strategy number 2. Meet the minimum spend requirement. Many credit cards require you to spend a certain amount within a specific time frame to qualify for the sign-up bonus. Plan your expenses accordingly, and if necessary, explore ways to meet the minimum spend creatively, like paying bills or making larger purchases you had planned anyway. Strategy number 3. Leverage bonus spending categories. Some credit cards offer bonus points for specific spending categories, such as dining, travel, or groceries. Be strategic and use your credit card for purchases in these bonus categories to earn more points faster. Strategy number 4. Transfer points to travel partners. If your credit card allows it, consider transferring your points to partner loyalty programs. This often unlocks even greater value, allowing you to access exclusive airline alliances, hotel networks, and more. And finally, strategy number 5. Plan and book your dream trips. Once you've accumulated a substantial number of credit card points, it's time to turn them into unforgettable travel experiences. Research your desired destinations, check for award availability, and book your flights or hotel stays using your hard-earned points. Imagine exploring the world without breaking the bank, indulging in luxury accommodations, and making memories that will last a lifetime, all thanks to the power of credit card points. It's an incredible opportunity that's waiting for you. So, my fellow adventurers, I hope this video has shed light on the amazing potential of credit card points for free travel. Remember, with a little strategic planning, responsible credit card usage, and a dash of wanderlust, you can unlock a world of unforgettable adventures without draining your bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Money and Miles and join our incredible community of travel enthusiasts. Together, we'll continue to uncover the secrets of smart and budget-friendly travel. Until next time, happy point earning and safe travels.